everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some vintage inspired home decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Vintage inspired home decor is all about bringing the charm, elegance and timeless beauty of the past into your home while keeping it cozy and functional. It blends antique or retro pieces with modern comforts to create a warm, nostalgic atmosphere. Here are some key elements and ideas for vintage-inspired home decor. Key elements: antique furniture, wooden dressers, ornate side tables, or clawfoot chairs. Soft color palette: jam, muted pastels, sage green, dusty rose, or soft blues. Floral and lace details: curtains, tablecloths, or throw pillows with delicate floral prints. Decorative mirrors, gilded frames, oval or ornate shapes. Vintage lighting: candeliers, lantern-style pendants, or lamps with fabric shades. Mix of textures: velvet cushions, lace doilies, crochet throws, or distressed wood. Room by room ideas: living room, add a tufted sofa, mismatched vintage chairs, a distressed coffee table, and gallery wall of old frames. Bedroom: iron bed frames, lace or crochet blankets, and antique wardrobes. Kitchen: retro appliances, open shelves with enamelware, mason jars, and floral curtains. Bathroom: clawfoot tub, vintage mirrors, and ceramic accessories. Accessories and accents: old books, vintage clocks, rotary phones, typewriters, and radio players. Rugs with Persian or faded floral patterns. Wall art with botanical prints, old maps, or black and white photos. Fresh or dried flowers in ceramic or glass vases. Styling tips: distress finishes. Use chalk paint or sanding to give furniture a time-worn look. Layered textiles: add crochet throws, lace table runners, and patterned rugs together for a cozy vibe. Vintage hardware: swap out modern knobs, handles, or purchased with antique style brush or porcelain ones. Upcycle and repurpose: turn an old trunk into a coffee table or use vintage crates as shelves. Color and patterns: muted hues, stick to creams, beige, and soft pastels. They instantly evoke nostalgia. wallpaper magic. Floral, damask, or toile wallpaper can transform a room into a vintage heaven. Mixed prints, stripes, florals, and polka dots together can give a charming retro feel. Decor and accessories, gallery walls display old family photos, postcards, or vintage posters in mismatched frames. Antique mirrors, large ornate mirrors brighten small rooms while adding elegance. Vintage kitchenware, enamel teapots, copper pans, and floral china bring character. Classic clocks, a pendulum clock, cuckoo clock, or retro alarm clock adds charm. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.